current ratio is equals to current assets upon current liabilities. We all know what is current assets and what is current liabilities. Let's not get into that. We saw here what is current ratio, that is current assets upon current liabilities. Let's see why current ratio is measured. So why it is measured? To see if the company has the liquidity. What do you mean by liquidity? Liquidity is to see if the company can pay its current liabilities from the current assets they hold. Current liabilities, if the need arises to pay the current liabilities in cash in emergency, whether the company can convert its current assets into cash and pay all the current liabilities. That's the reason this ratio comes into the picture, so that we can see how much liquidity a company holds in compared to the non-current assets of the company. The company cannot park all its assets in non-current assets because it needs the cash to provide for the day-to-day expenses or the current liabilities. That's why we have a current ratio.